I was always the most popular girl at school. Everyone liked me. Everyone wanted to be my friend. I was nice to everyone. I helped students with homework. I shared my lunch. Teachers liked me too. I was happy. My name is Harper. I am 16 years old. I go to Riverside High School. I have many friends. I sit with different groups at lunch. Everyone knows me. Everyone says hello in the hallways. I felt special. I felt important. Then everything changed. It was a Monday morning in October. I walked into school like every day. I wore my new blue dress. My hair looked perfect. I smiled at everyone, but something was different. People were not looking at me. They were looking at someone else. There was a new girl at the lockers. She had long black hair. She wore simple clothes. She looked shy. Students were talking to her. They were laughing. They seemed very interested in her. "Who is that?" I asked my friend Sarah.
Her name is Maya.
Sarah said.
She moved here from New York. She is very nice. She is smart. She speaks 3 languages.
I felt a strange feeling in my stomach. It was not good. I watched Maya talk to other students. They looked happy. They looked at her the same way they used to look at me. At lunch, I sat at my usual table. Half of my friends were sitting with Maya. They asked her questions about New York. They laughed at her jokes. I ate my sandwich alone. This never happened before.
Maya seems really cool.
My friend Jake said.
She lived in 3 countries. She can play piano and violin. She also does martial arts.
I smiled, but inside I felt angry. Why was everyone so interested in her? What was so special about her? The next few days were worse. More students started following Maya. They wanted to eat lunch with her. They wanted to walk with her between classes. Teachers were impressed too. She always knew the answers. She was polite and helpful. I was still popular, but not like before. People still talked to me, but they were more excited about Maya. I heard them say things like, "Maya is so interesting," and "Maya is the coolest person at school." I felt jealousy growing inside me. I could not stop thinking about it. I could not sleep well at night. I needed to do something. I needed to be the most popular girl again. I started watching Maya very carefully. I looked for mistakes. I looked for reasons why people should not like her. But Maya was perfect. She was kind to everyone. She never said bad things. She helped students who were struggling. Even I had to admit she was a good person. But I could not let her take my place. One day, I walked past the teacher's room. I saw Mrs. Johnson's phone on her desk. She was not in the room. A plan formed in my mind. It was a bad plan, but I was desperate. I looked around. Nobody was watching. I took the phone quickly. My heart was beating fast. I put it in my backpack and walked away. Later that day, I saw Maya at her locker. There were many students around, but they were busy. I walked up to her. "Hi, Maya. I said with a fake smile. How do you like our school?
I love it here.
Maya said.
Everyone is nice, including you, Harper. Thank you for being welcoming.
I felt guilty for a moment. Maya was nice, but my jealousy was stronger. While Maya was looking for her math book, I quickly put Mrs. Johnson's phone into her backpack. Nobody saw me do it. Mrs. Johnson looked for her phone everywhere. She was very upset. She told the principal. The principal announced that someone stole a teacher's phone. There would be an investigation. During lunch, they searched students' bags. When they searched Maya's bag, they found Mrs. Johnson's phone. Maya's face went white.
I don't know how this got here.
Maya said.
I never took it.
But nobody believed her. Students whispered, Maya is a thief. She seemed nice, but she is fake. I should have felt happy, but I felt terrible. Maya looked confused and hurt. Some students stopped talking to her, but people did not start following me again. They just stayed away from both of us. I realized I needed to do more. I needed to make Maya look worse. That night, I created a fake social media account. I used Maya's photos from her old school. I made it look like her. I started posting mean things about students. I wrote, "The students at Riverside are so boring and stupid. I wish I never moved here." I wrote, "Harper thinks she is so popular, but everyone just pretends to like her." I wrote, "This school is full of losers. I can't wait to leave." I posted late at night when Maya was probably sleeping. The next day, students found the posts. They were angry.
Did you see what Maya wrote?
Students said.
She thinks we are stupid.
She was pretending to be nice.
Maya tried to explain. She showed her real account, but the fake account had her photos. Many students believed it. For several days, nobody talked to Maya. She ate lunch alone. She walked alone. I felt sorry, but also relieved. Finally, people were not following her. People started to treat me like before. I was popular again. I felt happy, but also guilty. One morning, I walked to my locker. People were looking at their phones and whispering. Something was happening.
Have you seen this video?
Someone said.
Look at the background. Is that Harper?
My heart stopped. Sarah showed me a TikTok video. The video was from last week. It was a TikTok dance video captured by students. In the background, you could see that I put something in Maya's backpack.
Someone zoomed in.
Sarah said.
It looks like you did it.
The video spread fast. Everyone saw it. Everyone knew the truth. I felt sick. My plan was falling apart. People started to figure it out. That afternoon, I had English class. I sat in the front row. Everyone was staring at me. I needed to do something. I opened the fake account on my phone. I started typing a mean post about the principal. I was about to press post when suddenly the slides on the projector disappeared. My phone screen appeared on the wall. Everyone could see the fake account, the mean post, my username.
Wait, that's Harper's phone.
Someone shouted. I grabbed my phone. It was too late. Someone was recording. The evidence was saved. I ran out of the classroom, tears running down my face. I locked myself in the bathroom. Then I remembered. Last week, I used the projector for a presentation. My phone was still saved in it. When I opened the app, it auto-connected. Everything appeared on the wall. My life was ruined. Everyone knew I stole Mrs. Johnson's phone, framed Maya, and created the fake account. I stayed in the bathroom for a long time. When I came out, I walked through the hallways with my head down. Students whispered about me. At lunch, I sat alone. Nobody wanted to sit with me. Maya was sitting with a group of students. They were apologizing to her. The video of me in English class spread through the whole school. Everyone saw it. Everyone knew what I had done. The principal called me to his office. I had to confess everything. I had to apologize to Mrs. Johnson for stealing her phone. I had to apologize to Maya for framing her and creating the fake account. Maya was very kind when I apologized. She said she forgave me, but I could see she was hurt. I had made her very sad for no reason. She had done nothing wrong. She was just a nice person who people liked. For the rest of the school year, nobody trusted me. I had no friends. I ate lunch alone every day. I walked in the hallways alone. People whispered about me everywhere I went. Maya became more popular than ever. Everyone felt sorry for what I had done to her. They wanted to be extra nice to her to make up for what happened. I learned a hard lesson about jealousy. It made me a bad person. I hurt someone innocent. I lost my friends. At the end of the year, I decided to change schools. I would start at a new school in the fall. It was a chance to start over, a chance to be a better person. I promised myself I would never let jealousy control me again. I would be genuinely nice. I would be happy for other people's success. Starting over was scary, but it was a gift. I had learned who I really was, and now I could become who I wanted to be. Has jealousy ever made you do something really bad? Tell us in the comments. For more stories, hit like and subscribe to the channel.